learn the ukulele without using a ukulele sounds crazy, but let's put it to the test by learning the strumming pattern of Somewhere Over the Rainbow. Step 1 is to listen to this beat. Copy my beat and clap along. Here's the count in. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Next, use your left hand as the strings and your right hand to strum to the beat. It's so important to vocalize the direction of your strumming hand. So when you strum, say this: down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. So next we're going to do it here in the chords. We're going to keep vocalizing the direction of our strumming hand, and we're going to wait for the count in. Let's do it. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Now it's time for the added challenge. We're going to try and sing and play together. Wait for your count in. Let's do it on the hand. Ooh, ooh, ooh. The dreams that you dream of once in a lullaby. And there you have it, folks. We've just learned to strum Somewhere Over the Rainbow without even picking up a ukulele. When you're done learning the strum, come back, learn the chords, and we'll put it all together on the ukulele. Can't wait to hear your progress. Keep playing, repeat, repeat.